Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I turned this camera to get smudge, and I'm shaking it, sorry. I'll move it back a little bit. I have a haul from ULTA, and this is all dry shampoo. So if you're not interested in dry shampoo, you might want to check out now. But if you are interested, I don't know a lot about dry shampoo. I just know what works for me, and I know that some people use it and some people, don't use it. But what happened was, this was during the 21 Days of Beauty. I've had it for a while, but I've had so many other things to show. So when you bought, I've got to tell y'all, I don't remember what the deal was with some of the ones I got. Smudge went away. So if it was buy one, get one half price, I think is what I got on the brand Not Your Mother's. I'm sorry about shaking. But if you spent, I think it was $40, you got free stuff. So, okay, Blue, I got this for free. These are all dry shampoos. So I'm going to be able to try a lot of different brands. Okay, Blue. And also, because I bought the brand, Not Your Mother's brand, they gave me this Bond Building Curl Talk Conditioner. This is for stronger curls. So I don't have curls, but that's okay. One of y'all will enjoy this. I may pass it on in friend mail because I have several friends with curls. So this is 2 ounces. I don't know if that's a full size. It's bigger than a deluxe sample, so it was free. And if I can get anything free, I like to pass it along to y'all if I can. So regular price, here's what I got. This is the Clean Freak. This is the tapioca dry shampoo. Warm Sugar is the fragrance. So this right here is normally $8.99. So I paid $6.29. So whatever that comes out to of a discount, I got it. And so on this, I like the tapioca one. I really like, I guess because of that tapioca, it soaks up oils. I should go back and tell you that I am a person that would want to wash my hair every day. I always did my whole life, because as a young person, my hair was oily. By the end of the day, it looked like, I know you need to wash your hair, Mary. It was that bad. So if I had to go out at night, I would wash my hair again. But as I've aged, I guess our bodies have less oil. So now I would probably consider my hair, I don't know if it's normal, because a lot of y'all tell me you don't wash your hair but once a week. I can't do that. There's no way I can do that. I might be able to get, with the right dry shampoo, I might be able to wait 3 days. But what I do is I wash my hair one day, dry shampoo the next. Wash my hair, dry shampoo, like that. That's what I usually do, okay? So I got 3 of the Warm Sugar tapioca formula because I really like it. It works really well for my hair. So those were $6.29 instead of $8.99. And then I also got in the same thing, Not Your Mother's has several different types, and the Clean Freak is the tapioca one. This one is just called dry shampoo, but it's in fresh citrus. And I like the Clean Freak formula. It seems to be a little bit, I like it better than some of the other formulas. I hope that makes sense. I did get this one also because this one is fun and it smells good. This is the Texturizing Beach Babe dry shampoo. So if I'm having a really bad hair day, a lot of static or something, this will help with that. And this is in toasted coconut. So those are the Not Your Mother brand that I got. And then to get to, I had to spend $40 to get this free bundle. So to get there, I bought a couple of other ones that one is I tried before and liked it, and another one is one that I can't remember trying. So the Hask brand, I got this one, the Biotin Boost. I like this one. This is 4.3 ounces. This says thickening dry shampoo. So you see the size of that bottle compared to the Not Your Mother's, and it's more expensive because of the brand Hask. Let me see what I paid for that one. I'm telling you that without telling you the pricing. Oh, it's less expensive. It's $6.99, and I paid $4.89 for this one. Maybe it was just a 20% off everything. I really don't remember. I apologize. I have my receipt, but it's not telling me all of that. And I also, this comes in a bigger container that's actually bigger than this, and that's probably what I thought I was getting. But that's okay. That's okay. And then I got the brand Batiste. Now, I have tried this brand before because I think we've gotten this brand in maybe Walmart Beauty Box in a small, but I've not tried this one as the volumizing. So this is $12.29 for this size, and I got it for $8.60. Now, here's the thing about this order. This didn't come in it. I had to contact them, and they made a big fuss about it. I don't really make big fusses. I just said, hey, this is missing. And they didn't ask me, they just told me, we've sent that out to you and we're giving you a $10 gift certificate. I was like, I even said, are you sure you want to send that out? Just that one thing is going to cost a lot to send out. You could just refund it. They said, well, no, it's already been done. So I got this in a different package. I think that's pretty silly. Nice of them, and they gave me a $10 gift certificate. So nice of them, very nice of them. Also, what I want to tell you about all this, I spent $44.94, okay? And that's before the sales tax. I got over $15 back on Rakuten. Now, I've told y'all about Rakuten before, and they're amazing because, see what I mean? I mean, I spend $45 on stuff that I need, that I use, that I have to use often, and I'm getting $15+ I forgot what the change was, $15.89 or something. I'm getting back $15, and yeah, so on my Rakuten. So this is what I got, 7 cans. This will last me a while. I got this curl stuff that I like I said, I won't use, but somebody will. And then I got this. Let's open this and see what's in here. I'm so excited to see what they sent me, because that, I can't believe. I know these are all, they're all, you know, deluxe samples, but I think there's 9 in here. Yeah, free 9-piece shampoo sampler with $40 hair care purchase. And that's what I did. So I'm gonna let's take them out and see what brands I got. I'm so excited. I've tried a lot of these and I haven't tried a lot of these, so I'm excited to see what we got. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. All right, we've got, this one is Living Proof Perfect Hair Days. I'll show it to you right quick and then we'll see what it says. Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair and softens and shines. Okay, this is different looking. I wonder if it's like a foam that comes out. I'm not gonna test it. Well, it does look like a spray. So I don't know, I haven't tried that. The Living Proof formula products that I've tried, I've only tried 1 or 2. They're expensive. They're okay, but I'll be happy to try it. So, but it doesn't mean I can buy it because it's probably too expensive for me. And then this is the biggest one here. This is Chai Vibes. Look how cute is that. It says Wake and Fake. A soothing dry shampoo, made in the USA. That's about what it says on there. And that's a typical kind of a spray top. So, see, and some of these, you know, not that I travel everywhere, but some of these are good for traveling. This is the one I believe I've had before, this green and blue yellow label, the Batiste. This is the original, okay? It says Classic Clean, refreshes hair without drying out, okay? So that one I've had before, and great, like I said, you cannot, I'm pretty almost positive sure, I could be wrong, that you might be able to take this on the plane, but they don't like, you know, because it's pressurized, you know. I don't know if you can take a small one, possibly, I can't remember, but if you can take it on the plane, you can put it in your luggage though, a small one. If you really need to know, I can look into it for you, but I can't remember. I think I took something like that on the plane, y'all. I think I did. All right, let's see. Then we've got this Joico. I've had this one before, Weekend Hair Dry Shampoo. I've had this in a full size, and I got it in a box. So maybe it was in, maybe my New Beauty. I really don't remember, but I got it in something. I might have gotten it from Boxy on sale or something like that, one of their sales. I'm not sure. I've had this one before. This is the Dry Bar. The Detox Dry Shampoo. You know, I think I have this in my little arsenal, but I don't think I've ever tried it. So that one, it doesn't feel like it's very full. This also came with it. This is Diva Curl Bond. It's a recoiling treatment mask. So this is for curls as well. it's repair and bond. It's in with these dry shampoos, but it says it's for damaged curls. So I'll probably give that to whoever I give the other curl stuff to. You know, might as well. And then we have, this is so pretty. Let me show it to you, and then I'll see if I can't see the name. Look how pretty that container is. I mean, the decorations on it. It says sexy hair. What brand is it? Smudge, are you sitting on the, yes, he's sitting on the magnifying glass. Oh, he got mad at me, y'all. You should have seen his face. He got mad at me there. All right. This is, oh, the brand, there's a star and it says sexy hair. And then it says sexy hair. I just love the pretty decorations on it. It says City Allure, Amber Glow, and Bergamot, okay? Big spray and play. Okay, volumizing hairspray. Oh no, this is a hairspray. Okay, this is a hairspray. Very cute for, again, for traveling. Perfect for me for traveling. Because sometimes I do like a little hairspray. You know how, you all see these that like to stay up. Sometimes I try to mat them down with hairspray. And then there's two left. And these two I'm not familiar with. This is Kristen ESS, Kristen S, Style Reviving Dry Shampoo for all hair types, okay? This is, no, nice looking. This cap is nice. It's different the way it's on. So I've not ever heard of that brand. If y'all have, it's probably some bougie brand or something that I can't afford. I'll love it and then I won't be able to buy it, you know. And then this one is IGK. I've heard of that brand. This is Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. A lot of the dry shampoos have the charcoal in it because then it you know, soaks up the oil, just like the tapioca would do. So that's that one. So I just was going to show you real quick what I do. All right, so I'll move back just a wee bit so you can see my head, okay? So I don't need dry shampoo today because I washed my hair today. But what I would do is, let me just take one. I'll take one of the tapioca ones. And you know, these inevitably, I put this on the counter, gone. They're all over my house because the boys love that. All the toys they have, y'all, and they like that kind of thing, you know. So I shake it real good. And I have lighter hair. Y'all can see I have lighter hair. I know that some people complain about dark. If they have dark hair, then you can see white. And I did find that out. I did try one that we got in the box that was, it said something about being for dark hair. So I thought it was for all shades up to dark hair, and you know, like including dark, but it actually put dark into my hair. So not sure what was in there that did that. So what I just do in the morning when I get up, if I'm not going to wash my hair that day, I go like this. I hold it up. Oops, hang on a minute. Got to get that. And then I just spray. See, now look at that. Does that look like I put a little white on there? Usually I don't see that. But with my gray strip, see there, as soon as you brush it, it's gone. And then I just do, like I usually do, up at the top. So I spritz like that, and then I sort of finger it around, and then you don't see it anymore. So yeah, if your hair was dark, you probably would see it. This is my natural gray. So I do like that. And then I'll do, depending on how it looks, you know, might do some on the back here, you know, and then I hot, what do they call, flat iron the sides. So that's basically, well, that smells good. It is warm sugar. I like the scent of that. Anyway, so that's what I do, y'all. And this was just a little haul that I just was so proud. It's, you know, ULTA said the 21 days of beauty, Rakuten was saying something about ULTA, whatever they usually do. If they give 2 or 4%, I don't remember. It had a special that day. Where like a lot of, like when they do a special, it might be 10% off or 15% off. But I don't remember what it said. I just remember, oh, I need some dry shampoos. So now's a good time to stock up while they're on sale and while I get some good Rakuten money. And then when the sale is done and I get my email with my receipt, then, you know, you hear your phone and your Rakuten says something about the sale went through, blah, blah, blah. Like on Walmart, you got 89 cents. You know what I mean? I don't get much on Walmart, but it said $15 and change. I'm like, I thought I was going to get, you know, 10%. I thought I was going to get $4 or $5. So, wow. So I got all of this for about $30-ish. So I am just really happy because this will last me a good while. A can of this lasts me at least a month, maybe 6 weeks. I've never really timed it, but you know, I use it pretty often, and I usually will have one at my office and that kind of thing too. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. I hope y'all, if you got anything from the 21 Days of Beauty, let me know what you bought. They had some great sales, some great things, but you know, like I said, I really don't need a lot of things because I get so many things in boxes. This is the kind of thing that we don't see very often in boxes. So thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings and take care, y'all. God bless you.